All right, so in our last video, we looked at the basics of multiplying factors algebraically when you've got that double parenthesis thing going on. So today, we're going to do products of factors, but better. All right. So in the last one, all our signs were positive. For example, this would look like that if I was doing it the same way. But, you know, not everything that you're going to see is going to have positive numbers. You're going to get negative. So just take a deep breath and relax and, you know, just go with it. Now, just to review, remember, a negative times a negative is going to give you a positive. A negative times a positive or a positive times a negative is going to give you a negative. And that's important to remember as we go along. Easy way to remember, if the signs are the same, it's always positive. If the signs are different, it's always negative. So if you forget, just go back to that and you're good. So here, we're going to do the same thing over the top again. X times x is x squared. X plus x times positive 5 is positive 5x. All right, so we're good there. Here, we'll go negative 2 times x is negative 2x. And negative 2 times 5, positive times a negative, is negative 10. We're going to combine what I like to call the guts, the x's. Teacher probably is using middle term, which is the correct way to say it. And that's going to be 5x minus 2x, which is 3x. We're going to drop that down, nobody to play with for him. And our final answer is going to be x squared minus 3x minus 10. Okay. Let's do one where we could do both negative. That happens. And again, just remember a negative times a negative is a positive, and a positive times a negative is a negative. So we've got x squared. That's going to be minus 4x. Here we'll go negative 5 times x is minus 5x. And a negative times a negative, negative 5 times negative 4 is positive 20. Sorry, my bad, positive 20. Now here again, we want to get that middle combined. And remember, if you're 4 down and you go 5 more down, you're 9 down. It'd be like losing $4 and losing $5. Now you've lost $9. So that's going to be negative. So it's going to be negative 9x, and we're going to drop that, and that's going to be 20. So there's a couple examples of things where you've got some negatives thrown in there. And again, don't sweat. Just, you know, remember the fundamentals. If the signs are the same, they're positive. If the signs are different, they're negative.